That was so. Because I would bet when you were 21 you were not dancing like this, you know? And Ade, your power is so profound and more profound because it is quiet. It is extraordinary. You guys really moved me, man. That was big. That was big.
Big something. Okay, very empty.
Testament of power salvation too, you know.
You are just getting to where you need to be as a dancer in a day. Wow, I called you a superstar. You know what? You are living up to my expectations. You are a gentle giant. Yes, you are.
It's absolutely beautiful to have a ballerina on the program. I'm so delighted that you made it through. And Ade, I don't think anyone has really seen how good you are yet. I mean, this was a beautiful routine choreographed for as a pas de deux, right? So you had all of the major power lifts, particularly that one in second around the back of your neck, which you then threw to the front, which was splendid, right? So you have been choreographed beautifully by Mandy in this routine. But it hasn't really shown you up yet for the fantastic dancer you are. America has got so much more to look forward to with you two. Well done,